In this video, we're going to look at parallel line angle relationships. So these are relationships that are only true because of parallel lines. If you don't have parallel lines, you can't use them. The first one is called corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal and they're related to the F shape. This is the short form notation. So let's look. If you have an F shape, that's your goal. If you find an F shape, then the two angles under that arms of that F are equal to each other. So this is why I put a red angle here. So this is equal to this. The F shape could be lying down. So this is equal to this. Now here's a question. This is just showing you that if this diagram was given to you, there are 4 F shapes in that diagram. In starting from this is equal to this. You could have looked at it upside down. You could have looked at it backwards. Or you could have looked at it upside down and backwards. But either way, you get F shapes. And you can see from those F shapes which angles are equal. Co-interior angles, on the other hand, are supplementary. This means they add up to 180. They are not equal. This is identified using the U shape, and this is the shorthand notation. So here's a U shape. The two angles inside the U are supplementary. That means this plus this add up to give you 180, provided that these two are parallel. So again, the U shape could have been sideways. Now looking at that same question from earlier, this question has two U shapes. It has one this way and one this way. Okay, so it could have been either one that is needed for the question. The last one now is alternate angles. Now, with alternate angles are equal, and alternate angles actually work using the Z or the N shape, alright? So the N or Z shape. This is a shorthand notation. Now what you do is you look for your Z or your N, and inside those inside angles of your Z or your N are the angles that are equal to each other. Alright, so find your Z or your N, and those inside angles are what's equal to each other. Alright, now that question from earlier that we've been looking at, specifically this one over here that we've been looking at, has two Z or N shapes, this way and this way, where these angles are equal. Now these are often referred to as the fun angles because F, U, N, so we just refer to them as the fun angles, but these refer to corresponding, co-interior, and alternate angles. So this is just introducing you to them. We're obviously going to look at a bunch of questions and see how you spot them and use them later.